Alright, so quick review of the Grodex Cobra / Reflex bag. Now, as you see here, you can get a lot of different angles on it. You're going to be able to speed it up by hitting it a little bit harder. That spring is pretty strong, so it gives you some good feedback when you connect. Now, some cons, you do have to spend a bit to weight it down. I have the one that you need to drill into the foundation or use some plates to weight it down. I don't want to drill into my foundation, so I have some sandbags and some weights on there. Now, the bag does deflate quite a bit as well with use, so you do have to refill it just using a normal ball pump. Once it deflates, it's going to be a lot slower. But other than that, I really do like the bag. I'm not affiliated with the company at all, but I do feel like it's a great training tool, especially if you're doing some training on your own. Feels pretty similar to if someone's holding mitts for you and they're doing like the paddles or the noodles. But let me know, have you used it? Do you like it? Any questions?